All right, this is Mr. Wyrick. We're talking about the review over simple interest today. On this first one, it's $5,000 invested at 5% for 4 years. That's 5,000 times 0.05. Remember, you got to take the percent and convert it to a decimal, and then times 4. This should be $1,000. All of these are going to be the same like that. That's 4,000 times 0.075 times 3. This is going to be 250 times 0.12 times 6. And this one's going to be 6,355 times 0.048 times 7. You'll get your totals from each one of these. On the next part down, it says for each set of numbers, calculate the total amount in the account. Total amount here is what's different. So we're going to take $5,000. We're going to multiply it by 0.04. We're going to multiply that by 5, which means we are going to generate, again, $1,000 in interest. But the $1,000 in interest is not what's in the account. We need to add $5,000 back for a total of $6,000 in the account. Very important that you add the original back. So this one's going to be 7,500 times 0.05 times 4. And then whatever we get, we are going to add 7,500 to. On this one, it's 375 times 0.13 times 7. And then whatever we get, we will add 375 back to. And then over here, we have 5,800. We will multiply it by 0.042. And then multiply that by 6. Whatever we get, we will go back and add 5,800 to get the total amount in the account. On the next part, we're calculating monthly payments of car loans. So if the car loan is $20,000 at 5% for 5 years, that's 20,000 times 0.05 times 5. If we type that in, 20,000 times 0.05 times 5. That's going to give us $5,000. So we get $5,000 in interest. We have to add our $20,000 to that. So it's $25,000 total that he has to pay back. He has 5 years. So we're going to break that down by month because we're calculating monthly payments. We divide that $25,000 by 60 because it's 12 months a year in 5 years. So 25,000 divided by 60 is going to give us, it gave us a fraction. That's going to give us $416.6 repeating. Since this is money, we're going to say it's $416.67. That last payment can be a little lower because we've been paying basically a penny more. Convert the percents to decimals. 17% is 0.17. 5% is 0.05, 19.8% is 0.198, 1% is 0.01, and 15.3% is 0.153. As we go to the back, convert the following decimals to percentages. 0.071 is 7.1%, 0.243 is 24.3%, 1.35 is 135%. 0.0923 is 9.23%. We just move that decimal over 2 places, keep it there. And 16.216 is 1,621.6%. It's a weird percentage, but I just wanted to make sure we understand we're only moving that decimal a couple places. On the last one, calculate the interest gained at 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, 18 months, 2 years, and 2 years, 6 months for an account starting with $2,500. That's 2,500 times 0.05 for the 5%. The 1 month means we're going to multiply by 1 out of 12. 6 months is half a year. We can multiply that exact same thing by 6 out of 12 or just 0.5 for half the year. 1 year is just multiplying by 1. 18 months would be multiplying by 1.5. That's a year and a half, or you could go 18 out of 12. 2 years means we're just multiplying by 2. And then 2 years, 6 months would mean we're multiplying by 2.5, or that'd be 30 out of 12. Hopefully this gets you moving in the right direction. I'll get a key posted, and good luck on your test.